Let's take a look at this problem. Negative x minus 7 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5 times x minus 2 plus 7. Now our first step, we want to get rid of parentheses. Now there is no number in front of this parentheses, but if I were to put 1 here, it's the invisible 1. So the distributive property, we're taking negative 1 times x and times negative 7. And over here we're taking 5 times x and 5 times negative 2. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x, or just negative x. Negative 1 times negative 7 is a positive 7. Plus 3 is greater than or equal to 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 plus 7. At any step, combine together numbers. Over on the left side, we've got 7 plus 3. That's going to give us 10. So we've got negative x plus 10. Over on the right side, combine together numbers. We've got negative 10 plus 7. That's going to give us negative 3. Step 2, get rid of fractions. We don't have any fractions. Step 3, get everything with an x on the left side, numbers on the right. So I'll take 5x over the left side, and I'll take the 10 over to the right side. Now remember, when you take anything across or equals, your sign changes. So the 5x becomes a negative 5x, and the positive 10 becomes a negative 10. Combine together like terms at any step. Negative x, negative 5x is negative 6x. Remember, there's an invisible 1 before the x here, so negative 1, negative 5. And at any step, combine together numbers. Negative 3 and negative 10 gives us negative 13. Now our last step is to divide both sides by a number in front of your x, which is a negative 6. So we'll divide both sides by negative 6. And if you divide both sides by a negative number, you flip your inequality symbol. So the greater than or equal to becomes a less than or equal to. So negative 6's cancel. And we got x is less than or equal to, and these negatives cancel, 13/6. Now, set builder. Put curly brackets around it, x with a vertical bar. And how you read that is that's a set of all x values such that x is less than or equal to 13/6. Now it's a less than, so it's going to negative infinity. Infinities always have parentheses on them. Specifically, it's a less than or equal to. That bar underneath means we put a bracket here. Less than or equal to is always a bracket. Now bracket on 13/6. So bracket on the 13/6 in the graph. And we're shading whichever way it opens, and the bracket opens to the left, so we're shaded to the left. And that's our answer.